Hi friends, this is Amrit and you're watching my YouTube channel The Smart Street. Sorry for last couple of days I was occupied so couldn't upload videos, and let's see how market has performed today and what are the key levels for tomorrow. So this is Bank Nifty on daily chart. Okay, so the very first thing I will do is that convert it into an hourly chart and plot all the indicators. So what it has done, let me hide the Ichimoku so you can see clearly what is happening. Okay, so here as you can see, I will this from this side. So here is of today and this one is of yesterday. This blue line you will see R1, this blue line over here is weekly pivot. Okay, and this one over here is weekly pivot of last week. So this is the pivot for today. The today pivot was somewhere around 35,387. Market gapped up and on an hourly basis closed above R1 and went right above up to R1 of weekly. That I was hoping to go there early in the market and took trade as well. So let's see what are the one more thing I would like to mention over here is that let's see what happened over here. It only went here and it has crossed cloud as well on hourly basis. Okay, so let's see what are the pivot levels for tomorrow. And here it is. I have already plotted this on my Excel sheet. So for tomorrow pivot is at 36,131. Market closed at that before above that. Top pivot is at 36,250 and below pivot is at 36,012. So if market gaps up, wait, tomorrow is expiry, it will give you a decent opportunity to buy. I will look to buy somewhere around 35,807 and go long, which is support one for tomorrow. And from there, what are the levels that you will be looking for is approximately 37,000 I will be looking for. Tomorrow is expiry, bulls are back, FI is buying. So I'll be expecting a good move tomorrow. So to go long, look for the level of 35,807, somewhere around that. Or you can buy in between 36,000 and 35,800. That is a good buy point. Keep an SL just below that, 100 points. And look for a target of 37,000. I'll be buying off monthly expiry of 25th March. So in extreme condition, it can go to 37,577 level as well. Okay, so these are the key levels for tomorrow that you need to watch out for. 36,131 on pivot. This is pivot and this is resistance. This is the key area where you need to go long. I look for target of 37,016. Okay, maybe in last hour it can shoot to 37,577. Okay, I will be booking profit somewhere around this. So now let's look Nifty, how it has performed today. This is Nifty chart on a daily basis and it will plot the indicators. Let me hide this Ichimoku so that you can see clearly. Let me plot this into an hourly basis. Here also you will notice that it gapped up, opened and closed above first hour chart, closed above R1 of today. Okay, and it managed to go beyond R3. Okay, So in let's see what has, and on in Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty has took resistance somewhere near around R1 of weekly R1, and here we have managed to cross R1. So I'll be looking for target of 15,430 is the target that I'll be looking for. But let's see what are the sorry, key pivot level for tomorrow. So here I'll be plotting that this is Nifty. So Nifty high was 15,273, low was 14,995, closed at 15,245. Let's go to the chart. Let's bring it this. So pivot would be 15,171, low pivot is at 15,134, high pivot is at 15,208. So somewhere I will be looking to go long on Nifty in between this area. It is a huge gap, so I'll be looking somewhere around to buy at this level. 15,130 will be level where I'll be going long, and I'll be looking for a target of at least 15,347 to 15,449. Second target that I'll be expecting 15,450 to come tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. This is pivot, and you can note it down, and let's see on the chart. Let's bring the Ichimoku over here. We have managed to cross above cloud on hourly basis, and 15,436 is the R2, and 449 is the R2 as well for tomorrow, and this R2 is of weekly, so both are coming at the same level. This is 15,433 and this is 15,449. so this is the area where Nifty should shoot up to. So guys, these are the key pivots level you need to look for. This is it for today in this video. I'll be sharing more about FII data from tomorrow onwards. So I would like you to all subscribe, like and share with the channels, and please do share with your friends on Twitter, Facebook, and give feedback so that I can get encouragement to bring more information to you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.